Hello guys, welcome to Trading Chart Patterns. Let's see and we will analyze some of the few stocks which are live today. Okay, so let's see what is happening with these stocks and what are the trading levels for these stocks. Okay, so first of all, let's see this ACC. Oh, sorry, Aarti Industries. This Aarti Industries is actually trading around this resistance region. See, this is a resistance for Aarti Industries. Last day I clearly told you that we will only trade this stock if it crosses this resistance line with volume in either 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, but this stock is not yet crossed this level, so we will not trade it accordingly. There is no such trade which will happen in this stock. Thereafter, let's see ACC is a stock. See, it is forming some sort of a pattern like this. Okay, this is a pattern in ACC. What is happening in ACC? It is forming some sort of a ascending channel kind of a pattern. This see this is ascending channel kind of a pattern in ACC. Now what? Now this is ACC is actually taking support in this trend line. Okay, now see, it is actually trading towards the downside. Okay, the market opened bullish. Okay, the market opened bullish. Okay, then it came down, then again it started to reclaim its upside movement, and now what? Now all these stocks are for sideways. So the market is clearly sideways now, and if the market is clearly sideways now, then how we will trade this stock ACC? We won't be able to trade this stock ACC, so leave it. After that, let's see Adani Enterprises. See, Adani Enterprises, I told you it is forming a rising wedge kind of a pattern. Okay, this is a rising wedge kind of a pattern. Now what? I clearly told you we will go for a short sell, or I will eventually go for a short sell below this, but this stock is actually not yet trading below this line. Okay, it has not broken this support line, so I have not yet entered short position in Adani Enterprises. If it breaks this level, then only I will enter short, and if it breaks this level, then only I will go for buy. Let's see this stock, Adani Ports. See, Adani Ports is actually making this kind of a pattern. It is broadening wedge kind of a pattern. It is broadening day by day. It is going upside, 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 and upside. Okay, now see what? Now see, this is some sort of a short term resistance line. Short term resistance line. Okay, if this stock breaks this resistance line with volume in the past 1 hour, in coming 1 hour, sorry, if it breaks this resistance line in coming 1 hour, then only we can go for buy in this trade. Okay, but remember, this is a swing high. Okay, this is swing high 691. Until or unless it breaks this swing high, we won't get any chance to buy this stock. What can happen? The stock will go towards 691.95, and then again sellers can come. If sellers will come, then this stock will come downside. Okay, next stock, LKM Lab. See, this stock. See, this stock is actually forming what? A falling wedge kind of a pattern. A falling wedge kind of a pattern. Okay, and this stock is falling with a good amount of volume also. See, this stock is falling with good amount of volumes also. Okay, see, the very first candle was a bullish candle. Okay, the very first candle was a bullish candle. Okay, this was my resistance yesterday. Okay, this was my resistance yesterday. Now what has happened? See, this was my resistance yesterday. I took this as a resistance. Okay, I took this level as a resistance and draw a line. See, now what? This stock is falling. It has a support of 2711. Okay, if you go for a short sell here, then you can go for short sell here for the target of 2711. But remember, this region is also a support. This region is also a support for this stock. See, there is a clear price rejection here, here, here. Okay, so this region is support. Let this stock break this support and give a closing below this 2709, then only we can enter for short position. Why? Because we are not so clear here who has win. The sellers are waiting, the buyers are waiting. As the candle is not yet closed, we don't know who is going to win. So whoever wins, we will sit with him. Okay. Let's see Amaraja battery. See, I told you Amaraja battery is in sideways. Okay. It is in sideways. See, this is its region. This is the region of Amaraja battery actually. Okay, right. This stock, until or unless it is between 900 and 870, this stock is not going anywhere. Okay. Let's see another stock, Ambuja Cements. Okay, this is stock Ambuja Cements. See what has happened in this stock. Okay, it is going upside. Okay, and it is given a clear breakout in this candle only. Okay, in this candle only. Let this candle sustain. Check for the volumes. Okay, volumes. See, if you have checked for the volume, see volume is rising, but it is not rising that big. Okay, so let's move it to new pan below. Okay, see volume is rising. Volume is so stock price is rising, but volume is not rising that big. That huge volume is not here. Okay, so if this stock continues to go upside in this candle, let this candle close. If this candle closes bullish 11 a.m. candle, if this stock gives a bullish closing with a good amount of volume here, then only we will enter buy side in Ambuja Cement with the stop loss of this 276 somewhat, I guess. And if see volume is not high, so unusual volume results in high probable trade. But here there is no such sort of a volume, so this is not a good trade. Let's go to Apollo Hospital. Okay, Apollo Hospital in 15-minute time frame. See this candle. See this candle. See this candle. See this candle. All candles are bearish and with spikes. Okay, the second last candle has given a bullish closing. Okay, and the candle after that, see, has turned red. Now what? How can we enter this stock? We will not enter this stock until or unless it breaks this previous highs, these previous highs full. As soon as it will break 3090, then only we will enter a buy side of a trade. Why? Because see, we don't know when seller will come. Okay, seller will only come at resistance. Okay, so what is the swing high resistance? See, this is the swing high resistance, this is a swing high resistance, and above that there is no swing high resistance. So what can happen? See, let's draw one resistance line here. See, this is a resistance line for this stock. Okay, this is the resistance line for this stock. If it breaks this resistance line with volume 3190, so this will be our swing high. If it breaks this 3190, then only we will enter for buy trade for 3280. Okay, now let's see Apollo tires. See this stock has a tendency to remain sideways. See, it was so bullish in such a bullish market, in such a bullish market. See, in such a bullish market from June, July, August, it has been sideways. It gave good breakout, again sideways, again breakout, again breakdown, again breakout, again breakdown. See, this was its pattern. Okay, so it was not so good of a stock. And now what? Now how it is trading? See, it is actually trading in its resistance zone. How? See, this is the resistance zone for this stock. See, clear resistance zone. So this stock will go up till 2444. And now what? See, this was the previous day closing. So okay, previous day closing of 25th February round, the stock gave a big gap and now it has filled this gap. What can happen? It can even fall more. if you are a short seller and the Nifty goes bearish, then you can short this stock uh, below this previous, below the low of this candle, you can short this stock for the target of see 238, 238 or even more. Okay, and if this stock goes bullish, and if it goes above this candle's high 242.35, this will be our stop loss. And if it goes above this side, then we can add and go for a buy trade with double the quantities. Okay, so double the quantities for the target of 234. So whatever is your loss can be recovered totally. Ashok Leyland C, this stock has all the potential to go upside, and it will go up till this region. Okay, it will go up till this region. Okay, but when it will go, we don't know, but it has to go up till 141 rupees. Okay, it is trading around 132. If everything goes good, then this stock will take you to 141.15 first, then it will again come and retest this level 130 around, and then it will give the target of this. And what's the target? 160 rupees. Okay, 160 rupees will be the probable target for Ashok Leyland in swing trades. Okay, how this can happen? See, this was my drawing. This is the resistance line. This is actually some sort of a flag and pole kind of a pattern, so firstly it will give the target of this channel on the upside 141, then again it will come and retest, and if it gives a breakout above that 141, then you can surely get this target of 157, 160 rupees. Okay, now see, let's see Asian Paints. This was my stock, a very good stock. I told you clearly last day that as soon as this stock goes above this 2320, we can go for a good buy side of a trade, and it is already up by 20 rupees. Okay, so if you would have not traded this stock in the first 10-20 minutes, then you would have been in a huge sort of a hustle that when you should trade or not. So see, this was my clear resistance line. Okay, as this was a support yesterday, it broke that support, and now what? Again it has claimed this line. So what can happen? See, this stock can trade between 2373 and 2317. So this is the full trading region of this stock. Okay, so how you can trade it? If Nifty is bullish, all the conditions are good today, then you can go for a buy side of a trade in this stock for the target of that 2374 in 1 or 2 days. Okay, so it's almost 1.5%, 1.5% kind of a trade. Okay, AU Bank C, this stock is also trading in some sort of a channel. So what's the support and resistance of this stock? The support and resistance of this stock is here. Actually it's resistance. See, this is a resistance zone for this stock, resistance zone 115411. It is taking resistance here only, and it is trying to go downside. Okay, if any candle breaks this resistance line and closes above that resistance line 1154 of 15-minute time frame, any candle of 15-minute time frame, if breaks this resistance, closes above that, then only this stock will become bullish and go for another long run. Until or unless this stock is bearish, so there is no trading in this stock. Now see Oro Pharma. See, this stock is actually going sideways like this. Okay, if it breaks this resistance line and goes above 873, 874, then you can go for a buy, and if it goes below 837, 837, 836, then you can go for a short sell, or even one can sell around 844, 842 for the target of 836. Okay, so this is analysis for Oro Pharma. Let's go for Axis Bank. Axis Bank clearly sideways. See, this is the chart of Axis Bank. This is the chart of Axis Bank. It is taking actually some sort of a support in this region, resistance at this side. So this is the support line for Axis Bank. Okay, so it's clearly sideways, so there is no sort of a trading in this stock. We won't trade it until or unless there is clear volume or the stock takes support here, then gives a breakout or a breakdown, or then reverses. Sorry, if takes supports and reverses, then we can trade, or if takes supports and gives a breakdown, then we can sell. Okay, let's see another stock. See another PO, Bajaj Finserv. See, this stock has given clear breakout in this very candle. Okay, see volumes. Okay, what can happen in this stock? See, until, see, this is a clear breakout candle. Okay, clear breakout candle, but what has followed next? What has followed next? That this candle is not being treated well. Not being treated well. How? See, the sellers have come again. Okay, what we should see, we should actually see if this stock Bajaj Finserv is going and sustaining above 9850, which is actually a psychological level. If it sustains 9850, then only we will go for a buy trade in Bajaj Finserv. Until or unless, we will not buy this stock. 9855, remember, 9855 for the target of 9942 or even 4140. Let's see Bajaj Auto. Okay, see this stock Bajaj Auto. Okay, last day I told you this stock is in its support region of 3371 because it has given full correction. Okay, now what the stock has opened gap up, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, and now what, it is taking resistance at this zone 3854 and starting to come down 3821, but we will not trade it until or unless it breaks this level of 3771. Okay, if it breaks this 3771, then we can surely see 3647. Okay, in coming sessions, 3647 or this. Okay, let me just a bit, 3660. Okay, or even this small 3674. So 100 rupee target below 3771. Okay, and let's see where is the pivot points.